Quick review of what we've accomplished today in terms of responsive web design. The first thing we noticed was that we can no longer set pixel widths. This was previously an 800 pixel wide layout, no longer. Now it is a 100% wide layout. This was a 480 pixel wide column. It is now a 60% wide column. This, a 320 pixel wide column, now it's 40% column. These, which were previously 148 pixels that just perfectly fit inside this aside, became a percentage width. Thus, they will resize themselves at different screen sizes. In order to get the images to play nicely with these items, we will set all IMG tags to max width 100%. So with some judicious use of percentages for width, padding, and margin, plus the max width 100% on images, you can get quite far in your responsive design. The logo at the top is also obeying the 100% max width. At the very end, when we realized that when you get down to certain screen sizes, you'd really like to have a different layout, like a single column layout, we did that using media queries. So you can actually write overrides that are more specific than your default rules to handle cases like a very small screen size. I would like to call your attention to some links at the bottom of this week's content, which we've given you. In particular, reminding you about the viewport meta tag. There's a nice article here about that. And then these last two are more about mobile first design. And so that is more of a strategy of, now that you have this idea of responsive web design in your head, how do you do it? Do you design for a desktop machine first and then write your media queries for smaller screens, or do you assume that most of your users are going to be on phones and then scale up from there? So I highly recommend this as a starting off point to start thinking about that kind of those kind of issues. And also Journey First Design, which is a response to this, which is a good read, and I suggest reading it.